Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Trying to leave.
You've reached 911 emergency for the City of Los Angeles. Do not hang up. Your call will be answered by the next available operator. Please remain on the line. If you hang up and call back.
Yeah, I got a hit and run. Off of Parthenia.
Are you following the car, sir?
Yes, I am. It's a gold Cadillac. Can you hear me?
What's the license plate? Yes, I can. What's the plate?
Hold on. I'm headed right on Raymond.
Okay,
Going back to Parthenia. Going back to Parthenia.
What's the plate? The license plate is what we need, sir. What's the plate?
No. I'm right here at 18042. Stop. I got him on camera. Stop. Sit on the street. Sit on the street. Stop. Brother, sit down. No. Sit right. I'm on. Sit down.
Okay, what's your name?
Sit down. Don't move. Sit down. Don't move. Can you hear me? I'm at
I can hear you. You're at 18042.
I'm at 18033. I don't know the name of this street.
Okay, let me try to find your location, sir. Were you involved in a hit and run?
No, he did. I just watched it. Sit down on the curb, man. Sit down on the curb.
Are you an off-duty officer, sir?
Sit down.
Are you an off-duty officer?
No. Don't touch nothing. Get back over there. Hey, man, sit down. Okay, he's trying to leave. I'm at 180. I don't know. Can you see the name of the street?
Look at that! Oh my God! Jeez! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Experience was the result of the sin of believing a lie. For me, it blurs the line between sin and suffering in ways that set those up who are suffering.
Holy cow!
Even though this lecture took place a year after Jen's story, these ideas and similar stories had been in the water, and many in the church had a sense that Driscoll had a unique set of spiritual gifts.
Блять, жестко. Стоп, сука. Стоять, блядь. Я сказал стоять.
Caller 19, and you can repair my ticket to the day. 612-344 Jack is my number. Music, my number. Music. I got my first real 6-string. Oh, yeah, the 5 and dime.
You didn't even look or signal.
Manual recording begins.
What it would be like to actually send someone a big photo and see what
Manual recording begins.
an experiment.
Go right ahead.
Cell phone number. I got her cell phone number from another friend, and I decided to send her a dick photo. So
people, and I give her that. But I just don't think that this is a hero. I don't put her in that category. And they celebrate her, putting on magazines and all this shit.
Manual recording begins.
Then we celebrate Chaz Bono.
Oh God.
Thought that's where I was gonna go.
Oh, he's going.
Are you serious?
He's going for it.
What is wrong with you? It's a red light.